Hi, in this tutorial we will see how we can do a donut. So we can start in Blender and we can remove the cube, and after we can add two torus. So Shift A, Mesh, and you can add a torus here. After you can change the property to 0.5. You can add a second torus with Shift A, Mesh, torus, and you can just put one, and you can also reduce some value here. So here we will put just 0.5, and you can just move the second torus on the top here like this. Okay, now we can add two modifiers. For the first we will add a mesh move, so Ctrl 2, and for below it will be exactly the same, Ctrl 2. For the first donut you will add object and quick effects, quick liquid. It will add all the system that we need. You can go to the physics, you can change to 38 the resolution, and for below you can add a fluid, type, effector, and you can change to 2. After we can play the simulation just like this. I will stop and I will move to the frame that I have an interest for. So I will go to this one. Maybe at your place it will be a different frame, but you can choose the frame that you want. After you can hide the torus on the top, so I select this torus and I can hide it. And after you can add the sparkle on the top of the donut. We will do that now. For the sparkle on the top we will add a cube here, so I go with a mesh cube. I will change the view like this. I select the cube and we can modify this. So we will do something really small here. We can go directly to the cube, so I press the point. I press tab and I select the top. I will do an extrude here. An extrude below. I go to the edit mode, I go to the vertex, I select everything, I go to mesh, clean up, merge by distance, it's okay. So now you can move, be in X-ray mode. I'm quite happy with this shape. Now we can take the piece here. We can be in object mode and I will apply all transform. And now we can just a little bit scale. So I will be in object mode and I scale a little bit. We can change also the origin point to the center of the geometry. Okay, just after we can add the object that we have created for the sparkle on the top. You can do right click, convert to mesh. After when it's done, you can go to the particle and you can add hair here. We will put 500, and after you can go to the render. Instead of path, you can select object. You can select the object that we have created here, so it will be this one. I switch to the solid view to see better. I change some parameter to be not uniform, so I will change the scale and I will change the randomness here. We will do just a little bit bigger the sparkle, so I take this one and I make a little bit big like this. And now we can go for the material, so I select this one and we can change to a new material. We will put this color. We can go to the shading to see better. So I go to the shading. So if you go here, we can change the color. So I will change the glass BSDF to the principal BSDF, like this. We can remove the volume like this. We don't need that. And I will add another color here. So I will change to a pink color here. Can be a little bit more bright, so I can put 0.25 here on the top. Now we can do the sparkle. So I go to the cube, I press new here to create a new texture. We can add object info like this. We can add another node. It will be hue saturation. And after, I can connect the random color to the hue like this, and the color to the base color here. And after, I will change this color to red. And it's perfect. You can see the donut here with the texture. I will do just after a quick rendering, and you can see the result. Thank you to follow me, and see you for our next tutorial. Bye.